Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, so I got some disappointing news for myself. Alright, I was trying to get this turbo system together, even though if some parts were going to be half-assed, and get it out to the track when the track opened. Alright, that was the plan. Track was open and then it closed. Very disappointing. So I'm going to have to wait until next year because all events are closed till the end of the year and until further notice, I'm pretty sure. So we're going to have to wait, and that's pretty disappointing. I want to get an actual time slip at the track in cool weather. Hopefully that still happens. I'll keep you guys updated, and whatever time I run, I'm going to throw it out there. Hopefully it's not slower than my NA. All right, hopefully I'll be chasing down my fastest nitrous time, and I don't know, we'll see. You know, I'm not trying to throw numbers in the air. I just want to see what it is. You know, it is what it is. Hot damn hell yeah, you're all the baddest. I'll let you know when I can get out to the track and we can get a time and see how it performs. All right, hot damn hell yeah, get some.